Robinhood is down in the pre-market after disclosing that data security incident that took place Wednesday night. In a blog post, the trading platform said, quote, the unauthorized party obtained a list of email addresses for about 5 million people and full names for a different group of approximately 2 million people. Robinhood says the breach has since been contained. No social security numbers, bank account numbers, or debit card numbers were exposed in the hack. Additionally, this report this morning that the EU is on pace to ban payment for order flow has things interesting.
Well, look, Robinhood, the travails continue. When you go over that, the hack, it's very odd because they do say 310 people got additional name, date of birth, zip code, and then 10 people got more extent 10. I mean, okay, they brought in Mandy and FireEye, but I just find that Robinhood is, again, not ready. It's just not ready. That's not their fault. No one ever anticipated how well it would do. I do think that they think safety is paramount, but payment for order flow, which is something that we stopped talking about with Chairman Gensler, is something that I think you're going to have to really explain to your customers why you're not getting commission-free. That's the wrong term, is commission-free.
When you say not ready, what do you mean? Not ready for what?
I mean, like,
not ready to be a public company? What do you mean not ready?
The compliance, the security, all the things that you need, like that Morgan Stanley would just have, Goldman would have. It just seems like that, I mean, a hack, boom.
Yeah, although there are any number of institutions, I mean, it's every day.
Okay, I'm still thinking about what happened.
We do hope our financial
at the end of January.
May be a bit
At the end of January,
secure.
it showed you that they didn't have the controls. And then they've tried to institute the controls. Look, if they're by the grace of God, we're all not hacked, right? I mean, I got hacked at JP Morgan. Yeah. I got hacked at Apple. I bought everybody in the town where the Great White struck. I bought everybody a phone there.
I'm not following you.
Oh, when you go down Garden State, there's a town where the Great White came up.
What are you talking about?
No, I'm just saying that there was a town. I don't want to reveal the name of the town, but they got my number and they bought a number of phones.
Are you conflating Jaws somehow with something?
No, there was a terrible.
Was Roy Scheider in there?
There's a terrible Great White
in some way?
Go watch the special.